Hi everyone, this is Hannah. So today I'm going to make a tutorial video for this set. So this is the dies for the 3D drawer set. We actually have this die released several years ago, but I always forgot to make the tutorial video for this one. So yeah, today I want to make the tutorial video for it, and I think it's super fun to have a drawer box because yeah, I want to have a drawer box to put on my desk and to organize something inside. As for this pencil holder, I find this so useful in on my desk that I can put the scissors and all these things on top. So yeah, otherwise I'm always looking them on my desk. So yeah, so this time I want to make this 3D drawer, so also put it on my desk. Then yeah, I can find something easily. And so this is the die set, and you will get this. So this is for the backing of your drawer. So it has 3 layers, and yeah, you can cut 3 pieces for them. So I have cut them out. So these are the cut out. Yeah, I have cut 3 pieces for it. So this is the one. And then you also get this piece. So this piece is for the size of your drawer. So you need to cut it 2 times. So if your pattern paper is very thick, then you only need to cut this with your pattern paper only 1 time, right? To get it, have the pretty paper. But because the pattern paper that I use is very thin, so I need to cut the backing piece 2 times, and then cut the layering pieces here. Yeah, that's because my pattern paper is very thin. So then you have these 2. So for this one, you need to cut it 6 times. So like this, 6 times. And then for this one, this is to make the drawer part, you need to cut it 12 times. And because I also want it to be decorated, so I only cut these pieces out. So like this, because there is no layering piece here, right? So if you want to, yeah, so if you are like me that the pattern paper is very thin, then you need to also cut the extra layering piece like so. Then you can, yeah, stick this on top of this one, then to decorate your drawer. Okay, so this one 12 times. And so let's get started. So let's first glue these pieces on top. Okay, so let's put it aside. And here is the sides part. So first, we also glue the layering piece on top. So I first trim off the extra part, as there are the stitching lines on top, so it's very easier to follow it. So layer it on top. So let's fold around the folding lines. And stick this part here just as the this outline. So also line this one around this outline, this line. So did the same to this piece also. Now add glue here to close the box. Also add glue at this part to close the box part. So this is this backing part of your jar, right? And now that's to make the box. So this is the one. So we fold all the folding lines like so, and add glue on these three parts. So this is the first side. And then add glue here to close the box part. And for these 4 flaps, you need to add glue here and to stick it to the inside of your box. So in this way, this box will be very sturdy. See, like so. So let's do the same to the other 3 sides. So it will look like this. And now we need to assemble the rest 5 pieces. So these boxes are ready, the 6 boxes. And yeah, let's put it in the inside. So it's like this. You don't have to glue them together because it's just fit very perfectly. See here? So it's like this. So so this part is ready, and now let's make this drawer part. And yeah, it's like this. So for this drawer part, yeah, because I have cut this out, right? So I first stick this part, yeah, to this part. Okay, fold all the folding lines, and yeah, just glue the flaps together to complete the box part. And also adding glue on these flaps, and yeah, stick them to the inside. So this box will be very sturdy. See, this drawer part is ready. Yeah, and we can stick it to the inside. So it fits very great. Okay, so like this. And then let's do the rest. Okay, so all these 12 boxes are ready. And yeah, so we can put it into it. So this one with the slot part that we put in the outside, in the front, like so. Yeah, so for each box it will fit two drawers. So it's very fits just very tight. So you can put all these into it. So all the boxes are ready to go. And yeah, this is how the drawer will look like. And then you can add like some numbers or other words on top to organize your things. So yeah, this is how this drawer will look like. Oh, I also need to layer on the back side to decorate it. And then you can further decorate this drawer by adding some things on the top, and then some embellishment on the side part, right? Yeah, just to further decorate it. So this is how this drawer will look like. Very cute, yes. And yeah, so that is for this drawer box. And if you have any questions, please just let me know. And also, I will link it in the description box below. I think it should also be ready on, also be available on Amazon. I will also have the Amazon link in the description box in case you need it. So yeah, this is the tutorial for today. And so thank you for watching. I will catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.